I will just be showing you exactly how to become a professional or a profitable trader within 5 minutes. Hello guys, so this is Mr. P, and today I will actually just be showing you exactly how to become a profitable trader or a professional trader within 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. First of all, if you are not part of this YouTube channel, just remember to hit on subscription button, hit on like button, and also remember to turn the notification bell so more people can actually gain access to this video just like that. And you can also join our Telegram channel, Mr. P Fx University, right, where we're actually storming the market back to back and just cashing out every single day from Mr. P Fx University just like that. So the link to actually join Mr. P Fx University is just down below and it's come for free. You are not paying a dime for it. Now guys, the first rule of becoming a professional or a great profitable trader is number one, you must have patience. That's the P, right? You must have patience. You must be able to wait for the market to complete. You must be able to have patience for the formation to be confirmed and other things, other factors. You must not rush into a trade or things like that. You must just be very patient, right? Because profitable traders and professional traders are very patient people, right? They always want to wait. They always want to analyze. They always want the chart or the candlesticks to move towards their levels first, right? It hits their levels. They do all the confirmations that are possible, after which they go into the trade. Now that's for the P. The next is our A, right? Which is actually an analysis. Now the difference between you and the profitable trader is the profitable trader wants to keep analyzing. So the profitable trader wants to analyze a chart and analyze and reanalyze it and continue analyzing that chart until he sees until he notices that it's almost impossible to lose that trade, right? Until he sees that it's just almost impossible to actually lose that trade. So that's just the stuff, guys. Or until he actually is able to define his stop loss, is able to define his take profit levels, things like that. So he's able to see that, okay, if this trade actually hits my stop loss, how much do I lose? Will it take me out? Will it make me lose my account or not? Right? Okay, what if it goes to my take profit and hit is how much am I making from this particular stop? Is the stop loss worth the risk? Things like that. No, they actually analyze all of this particular stuff before going into any trade. Now the next is actually our S. Now our S is actually to stay. So professional traders or profitable traders, they have mastered the act of staying in the market. So when the profitable trader actually catches a trade, he doesn't run out of the trade because he's scared, right? Because remember, he has already crossed through the second stage, which is our A. He has already analyzed the stop loss and analyze the take profit levels and things like that, so that even if it hits its stop loss, it's not too much of a bad deal, because already understands that hitting stop loss is very normal while trading, right? So he has actually analyzed and placed a safe stop loss at that particular level, so he cannot stay in the market for the chart to actually just move, or for his trades to actually just move and hit all his levels just like that. So that while a non-profitable trader is living with, let's say, 10 bucks, the profitable trader is living with 100 bucks, things like that. So he's living with over 10 times of what a normal trader would have actually made, things like that. Now that's for our S. Now the last stuff is actually our T, right? It's actually timing, right? It's actually timing. Now the profitable trader actually knows the exact timing. That's the exact time, that's the exact time he needs to spend in the market, right? You can also call the T the time to actually take his profits and actually leave the market, things like that. So you know when to stay and when to T, that's when to take profits. You know the exact timing of when you actually want to last in that trade and actually leave the trade just like that, when your take profit or when your target has actually been hit, right? So the T can actually mean your timing, right? The time that you need to spend in the trade before you zoom off that particular trade just like that. The T can also mean your take profits. That's you want to know exactly when to leave that trade, right? You actually want to know how much, so it has hit your 100 bucks. You actually want to leave that particular trade. It can also mean your target, right? A profitable trader actually wants to set a target every single time they place a trade. So when they are going to a trade, they know that from this trade I want to make 100 bucks. From this particular trade I want to make 500 bucks. From this trade I want to make 5,000 bucks. So they've already calculated everything, and so they actually know their timing, they know their take profit, and they know their general target just like that. So that's just how this particular stuff actually goes, guys. So if you calculate that PAST T, right? If you can follow the past rule, it means that boom, you actually just become a profitable or a professional trader just like that. So that's just how this particular stuff actually goes, guys. So just remember, a reminder, if you're not part of this YouTube channel, just remember to hit on subscription button, hit on like button, and also remember to turn the notification bell and share this video so more people can actually gain access to the video just like that. And also remember to join our Telegram channel where we're actually storming the market every single day, back to back, just cashing out just like that with free signals, free dynamic signals, just like that. So that's just how it goes, guys. So bye for me, guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.